Good evening, students. Welcome to Sri Ramanja Vidya Mandir, a temple for learning. Children, today we are going to discuss about a very important topic, children. It is regarding a form of energy. Okay. So, in the previous class, we revised about light energy, children. What is light and what are its properties? Up to all the basic things, all the fundamentals we just revised in the previous lectures. Okay. Similarly, here we are today. I am going to discuss about another important topic, children. It is also a form of energy, which deals with our day-to-day activities. Okay, and very important also, children. It gives us a sense of hearing. Okay, suppose if you want to communicate, with your friend, you should use means you will talk. But if that means what here you are speaking means some sound energy is released. That energy is helping you to communicate with your person, whoever, and whenever there is a collision between any two components, children, like a collision between two hands, and it also releases what a form of energy. Okay, so all the things like how we see the things, children, like that we should hear also. Hearing and see, in the previous class we discussed about light energy, which gives us sense of vision. Now this energy gives us sense of hearing. Okay, so very important topic, children, today's, that is sound. Clear? A very important topic. But there are similarities, children, here. There are similarities, but light energy and sound energy are just similarities are there, but both are not equal. It is also form of energy. Sound is also light is also form of energy. But light energy and sound energy both are different topics, children. Completely different quantities, physical quantities. You can see, children, here in this picture there is a wave which is moving like this. Okay, which represents the movement of a particle. This one also wave only, children. Okay, if you observe here, the lines are together. Clear? Here lines were expanded together in the sense, children, this one which is there in light energy, same thing happens in sound energy also, but the pattern is different, children. In sound energy the wave is like this, but in sound energy the waves will be continuous compressions and rarefactions. Okay, like this. Sound energy travel like this, but sound energy travel like this. Like if you take a rope and if you give an oscillation, if you give a pinch like this, okay, one oscillation, that way whichever is created it will go longer. Means here the thread or rope, whatever you are using, that rope won't travel, but some oscillation you gave, some wave you gave, some vibration you generated, that vibration transfer from starting point to the ending point of that corresponding rope. That happens in sound energy, children. Okay, means medium doesn't travel, medium will be like that only, but in that medium the particles use it to oscillate like that. Particles use it to oscillate, but the actual body doesn't travel. Particles positions also won't move, in their position only the particles use it to oscillate like this. Particle position doesn't travel. See here. See, children, here this represents movement of a particle actually. Clear? But here particles are here only, means particle position is not changing, children. Particles are placed in their respective positions, but they use it to compress and rarefact. Okay, these all things we will learn, children. Okay, what is this wave significance and what is this wave significance, everything I will explain. Okay, this is the basic thing, children. Clear? So let's see first what is a wave, children. What is a sound? Sorry. A sound is a wave created by a vibrating objects and moved through a medium See children, sound is a wave created by vibrating objects and moved through a medium from one location to another. See children, here objects are not changing. Objects are not changing their position. Object's position is not changing. Okay. What is sound? Sound is a wave which is created by a vibrating objects. Okay. This wave which is created by vibrating objects, it is moving. That wave which is generated, that wave is moving, not objects. Clear children? Just take a rubber band and just give a pinch like this. Okay. Then it will vibrate like this. It will oscillate, vibration. That vibration, okay, creates a wave. That wave will move, but that rubber band never move. The band will be like that only, but the wave which is created in that band, that wave will travel. Clear? That wave will move from one location to the another. Clear children? These are vibrations here. These are vibrations children. These vibrations are reaching to the ear. Okay. These vibrations reaching to ear. Okay. And further these vibrations, what they will do? Further they will create vibrations in our eardrum. That eardrum also vibrate. And that vibration of eardrum create a frequency. That frequency in turn creates energy. That energy will be given to brain and brain will decode. Only then we can hear that. Maybe ears are working very perfectly children. Maybe there won't be any if ear is working properly, even though sometimes that person can't listen. The reason is here the thing what is transferred is just a vibration. Vibration is transferred. That vibration again turned into energy. Vibration only there children here. Even that person ear working or not, eardrum will vibrate, but that vibration creates what? Energy. That energy must be received by brain. In this channel, if there is any problem, then that person may not hear completely. Even if you keep more volume like earbuds or headphones, and if you listen music with more volume, that vibrations also increases. We are thinking that sound is going. What is sound? It is a vibration. That vibrations will increase. Whenever too much vibrations are there, that eardrum, that corresponding eardrum also vibrates with too much frequency, which can easily damage. You may not listen further. Create understood children? So here what it is? Sound is a wave created by a vibrating objects. Vibrating objects create what children? A wave. Okay. That wave transfer from one location to the another. And see children here. Just consider here some fixed support is there, some fixed support. For this, we just attached a rubber band. Okay, now what here are this one is again attached to some fixed support. Now what we should do means we should plug this rubber band children. We should plug this one. Okay. As soon as we plug that rubber band, what will happen? It will vibrate like this. Okay. At one instance, let us consider this is the mean position children, actual position of the rubber band. As soon as we plug that one, sometimes it will oscillate like this. Again it will go down. Again it will rise up. Again it will go down. Okay. After this, it will stop. Further vibration. Clear children? Whenever you are vibrating, what will happen? Like this it will vibrate. Okay. Slowly it will stop. Whenever it is vibrating, it creates what? That vibrating particle creates See children, here vibrating particle creates energy, and here this energy only transferred, but the particle whichever is vibrating, that particle will not move. Clear? In light energy, that particle itself will move. Okay, in light energy, photons, tiny particles will be, those particles itself they move. Clear? That is in what? In light energy. But here those particles create some sound, some vibration. That vibration in turn creates energy. That energy will transfer. Particle position doesn't transfer. Clear? Vibration is nothing but oscillation, children. Oscillation. You can take oscillation also. Oscillate. Oscillate is a very simple term, children. This one, like swinging, swing. Okay. Let us take a stand and attach us. Take a thread and attach one metal ball, children. Here, metal one, and this is a rope. So here, as soon as we apply force, it will move to some distance like this. Okay. After moving like this, just leave. After moving like this, just leave. It will oscillate like this. Okay. So first it will come to this side, that is called to position. Again it will come to original position, that is called mean. Again it will go to fro. Okay children, see here, I will enlarge this one. You can take either scale also. Take some, let us consider, here there is a table and here a metal scale is there, and it is fixed one. That metal scale is fixed to the table. This one is a metal scale, children. Scale. Okay. What we should do means just apply some force on this. Just drag by applying some force like this. This, let us consider this is metal scale, and apply force like this. What will happen? It will oscillate like this. Okay. So here let us consider this one as mean position. The original position is called mean, children. Mean position. And down it will bend. It will go to, it will bend down like this. And again it will go to, see, it will bend. Okay. Again it will go here. Again it will go up. Again it will come down. Like this, continuously it will oscillate. Clear? So here in case of this one, this is the case, children. Okay, these all are nothing but if a body not moving anywhere, just between two fixed points, if it is moving like this, only two fixed points if it is moving. Okay, that is called oscillation. And what that oscillation will do means it releases energy, and how that energy will move means that energy will transfer like a wave. Okay. Oscillating or vibrating body. What it will do, children? Oscillating or vibrating body, it releases energy. Clear? And what this energy is called, how it this energy will transfer, children? Like a wave. Okay, and that wave will transfer from one location to another. See children, let us consider this is mean position. This entire axis is what? Mean. Now as soon as you are moving this one, as soon as you give vibration, it will oscillate, right? So first it will go to 2. First it will reach to maximum, and again it will come down. Again it is coming down. It will come down and reach to mean. Again it will go down. After going down, again it will come to mean position like this, and it will stop. So continuously it won't oscillate, children. After some time, oscillations will decrease, and it will stop. So as soon as you can receive this waveform, children, you can listen to that sound whatever is created. But if you observe here, that waveform is continuously decrease. See, any vibrating particle can't vibrate till longer time, children. It will stop. So here the problem is, if that receiver, whoever is there, if that person is here, that receiver, if that person is located here, now this person can't receive this wave. See, slowly it stopped, right? So he can't listen what that person here. See, let us consider here one person is there and he created that sound. That sound wave is traveling like this, slowly decreasing, and became zero. So now what this person is saying, this person can't hear. Clear? When we are speaking also, vocal cords will be there, children. Those vocal cords vibrate. That vibration again in turn creates energy. That energy is travels like a wave. That wave will reach to the receiver. Okay? And this wave is nothing but sound, children. This wave only nothing but what? Sound. So sound is also what? Sound is also a form of energy. Sound is form of energy. Okay. Next. Sound requires medium, children. Medium for propagation. Or we can say traveling. Okay. So what is speed of sound in vacuum, children? Speed of sound in vacuum. On C, children, sound requires medium. Means some medium should be present. See how this receiver is receiving my voice, because here medium is there, some air. If that air only absent, suppose if I am there in space, no particles, complete vacuum, then this receiver, whatever is there, this mic, it can't receive that sound energy, it can't record what I am speaking. Clear? So there must be what? Minimum air molecules should present at least in order to propagate, in order to travel that sound energy. So here in vacuum there is no medium only. Vacuum means empty space, no air. So how that sound can travel? So what is speed of sound in vacuum, children? Zero. Is zero. But just compare with light, children, once. Just compare with light. Speed of light in vacuum. Is infinity. Maximum, that is 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. Okay, children, both are form of energy only. Sound is also form of energy, light is also form of energy. But without any means without medium, requirement of medium, a light can travel. Clear? But if medium is not there, sound energy can't travel. Clear? So there are these factors, children, which we should keep in our mind: speed of sound and speed of light in vacuum or in free space, we can say. And suppose if medium is completely denser, a solid medium is there, okay, like this boat, or else any solid object you can take, children. Sound energy can travel with maximum speed, but light energy can't travel through that. Okay, for solid objects. for solid, speed of light and speed of sound. Speed of light is 0, means light can't propagate through a solid substance, children. Next, speed of sound is maximum. Okay, see children, if I am a solid substance, okay, my body physical, light rays can't travel through my body. That's the reason you means I am not transparent. Any solid substance you can take, even this marker, through this light can't travel. That's the reason you can't see what is there behind this marker. Okay, so here this one is stopping the light. The objects whatever stopping the light, you can see. Those objects you can see. Suppose if it is a transparent one, transparent, then light can travel. Okay, and you can see what is there behind of that. Next, oscillations, children. See, oscillations are motions that repeat themselves. I said no, children. It continuously move between two positions. That's it, fixed positions. Okay. Even we can not only this one, children. Oscillation in the sense you can consider movement of Earth also around Sun. Earth used to revolve around the Sun, right? Okay, after one revolution also again it makes the same path. Means this is what? Repeated motion. Repeated motion. This one also can be considered as oscillation only. Okay, children. Next, it contains, see children, it contains terms called frequency and period. Frequency means number of oscillations in 1 second. How many times it is oscillating within 1 second. If you take a current wave, electric current, it will oscillate 50 times in 1 second. 50 times it will oscillate like this continuously in 1 second. Okay, children, unit is hertz. Okay, see children, next. I will say this one. See children, initially Earth revolution started from here. After completion of this entire circular orbit, again it is reaching here. Means from where it started, again it reached to the same point. That is one revolution. The time taken for this revolution is nothing but time period. Okay, time period. Time taken for one complete revolution. Next, frequency. Frequency is equal to number of oscillations by 1 second. Okay, units for frequency, children, hertz. You can represent like this. So formula for frequency, children, for frequency formula is 1 by time period. Okay, formula for frequency is what? 1 by time period. Means how many times it is oscillating between two positions. Like take this one, children. Like simple pendulum you can consider. Let us consider this is 2 and this is fro position. If you give a push for this and leave, how many times it will oscillate between these two positions? that is called number of oscillations. If it is 50 times, 50 by 1. If it is 100 times, 100 by 1. If it is 1000 times, 1000 by 1. That is what? Frequency. Clear? So things, see children, again I will repeat. Sound is a form of energy. How that energy is created? By a vibrating particle. Clear? So here sound energy is created due to vibration, and due to the vibration of particle that energy is created. Okay. Here that energy will travel. How it will travel? Like a wave. When I am talking here, see children, suppose here some receiver is there. How that person can listen to my voice means, between that person and me there is a connecting medium, that is air. Okay, between us some air is there. So whenever I am speaking, vibrations start coming outside through my vocal cords. Those vibrations create some energy. That energy pattern, what it will do means, it will further oscillate the molecules in air. Okay, between, like, let us consider here person is there, some person, and here I am. Between us air is there. Now whenever I am speaking, surrounding me air molecules are there. Those air molecules start vibrating, and those vibrations reaches to receiver ear, and he can decode and he can listen to the voice. So this is important thing children. What we should understand is sound is an form of energy only, but it is created due to what? A vibrating or oscillating particle. Sound is a form of energy which is created due to a vibrating or oscillating particle. And how that vibration will transfer? Like a wave. That wave will reach to the receiver. Clear? Entire propagation children, entire sending and receiving, everything is in the form of vibrations only. What will vibrate means the connecting medium. Suppose here water is there, those water molecules will vibrate. Suppose between the two persons, if some solid substance is there, those substances contain some molecules, right? Those molecules will vibrate. Clear? So here molecules will vibrate. Okay, those vibrations in turn creates what? Energy. That energy will be received by that person. Okay, the thing what is common is children, light is also energy, sound is also energy. Here in sound energy, particles position doesn't change. They won't displace, they won't go to some other place. If I am sender, some receiver is there here, when I am talking, the molecules just vibrate whichever are there here, but they won't travel from here to there. In light energy, what's going to happen? Whichever the photons are created in sun, all those photons coming to earth. In sun, okay, on the sun, due to nuclear fission reaction, okay, sorry, nuclear fusion reaction, heat is created, and further photons are there. Those photons carry energy. Those photons are coming from sun to earth every day, every time. Photons are reaching to earth. That's the reason earth is able to get some energy, and all the living beings are able to survive. From where do we are getting energy means from sun. In sun, particles are there, those photons carrying energy and giving to us. That energy we are receiving and we are able to survive. Even plants, okay, animals, whatever. Clear children? So here important thing is what? Transfer of energy. Okay. The thing is children, see, whenever you can see this pattern, whenever if any droplet is falling on the water surface, like this vibrations used to create around that one. These also creates what? Waves. Okay, this one you can take example. Those waves will transfer. See, this one will have some energy, right? This water body could have some energy. That energy is transferred to this water surface. Further, this energy, how it is transferred? Like a wave like this. In all the directions it will transfer. Clear children? Some energy is there which is carried by that water droplet, and it is falling on the water surface, and further that energy is transferred like waves. Clear? Here the topic is waves children. We need to understand better regarding what is a wave, how many types of waves are there. Then we can easily understand what is sound. Sound is nothing but It is a term, children, but actually it is an energy which is created due to wave only. Means discussing sound lesson in the sense we are discussing about a wave. That's it. Clear? Discussing about sound in the sense we are discussing about what? A wave. So we need to focus more on what is a wave and how many types of waves are there. What are the wave characteristics? That is nothing but sound characteristics. That's it. Clear, children? So that's all for today. Further, I will discuss more important things in our next lecture. Okay, children? Thank you and have a nice day.